Okay, so here's one of my projects that I started on. This is a bookshelf that we got. My husband brought it, and we are going to paint it white. The shelves and the whole bookcase. Now what we decided to do was go ahead and put it into this little crack of the wall and the sofa. And I'll show you guys that later. But that is the whole unit. It's very tall. I think it's about over 6 feet. These are the shelves, and there's 5 of them, and you can use them either way. You can flip them with the lip upward or down. This is the little decoration that I loved about it when he brought it home. It's amazing how you can just pick something up and then give it a whole new life. And over here, hold on a minute, is the edging I was telling you about. So we put it in the living room right over here between the sofa table. It is secured to the wall. So hopefully you enjoy this.